Okay everyone, hi! This is the Spellbinders kit. So I think this is the kit and caboodle. This one is the November Merry Wishes set. And I get the small die of the month, the large die of the month, and the Amazing Paper Grace, plus the card kit. Love it all. Oh my gosh, I love this kit. This is like, if I had to lose all my subscriptions, it would devastate me to lose this one. Because this is the one that is just the ultimate. It's just, when I first started doing the unboxings of Spellbinders card kits, I was like, I'm probably going to quit it. But then, I don't know what turned in that Spellbinders facility, but something did, and they became phenomenal. They have been phenomenal. It's been awesome. Small die of the month. This is so cute because it's the snowman. Let me see if I'll show you. There it is. Isn't that cute? You get the snowman. You get the tree. And you get this North Pole thing. This North Pole. Isn't that cute? And then the large die of the month, you can stitch if you want, or you can faux stitch, which is not a problem. Personally, I like what about Spellbinders is they take risks. They take risks, because I saw so many thumbs down with this, because people were like, no, I don't have time for that. I don't want to do that. And it's like, you know, you knew you're going to get this kind of comments, but you still took a risk. And I appreciate the risk because I think they look beautiful. And I would do the faux stitching. Cards and Coffee Time, or Cards and Coffee something, she did the faux stitching and it looked great. You just have to think outside the box. You really do. So this is amazing. This is a sleigh. And it does that, you guys. You get the poinsettias. Oh, look at the poinsettias. Oh, gorgeous. This is so gorgeous. Love this. Oh, I have the tonic sleigh. I bought the tonic sleigh, and I will tell you what, 2 different sleighs. It's awesome. 2 different ones. Really neat. So pretty. Okay, let's get to the card kit. So this is the card kit. Oh, goodness. I love this card kit. So you get the 8 by 10 or 8.5 by 11 papers. You get the gold, green, these are not textured, yellow, baby blue, red, I'm sure there's names for them, but pink, white, gray, and black. Is that all of them? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Yeah, you get 9 papers, coordinating papers. Pretty. Okay, so then you get you get a little pack of sequins. You get your standard pop dots and your adhesive on the roll. These are actually really good, you guys. I actually am surprised, but they hold true. You get 10 cards, 10 bases, and 10 bases and 10 envelopes, and they're textured. I tend to cut them out also, so it all depends. And then let's see, then you get these 3x4 cards. You get the deer. You get 2 of everything. So let me just show you this way. So you get 2 of everything. I keep dropping stuff. I think because my back is killing me. Let's see. Love this tradition. Oh, cute. So to-do list. Oh, what fun. Cute. Hello, December. Gather together. We are gathered here together. Okay, so you better be good for goodness sake. Peace, joy, Noel. Joyful. Merry, jolly, happy. Moments like these. The most wonderful time of the year. December 25th. Ba la la. La la la. 'Tis the season to be jolly. Oh, I love this one. Oh, it's like a... Oh, I love anything with books. Oh, look at that. It's awesome. It's my favorite. Ho, ho, ho. Cute. Cute, cute, cute. So you get 3x4 cards. You get a lot of those. Let's see. Let's do the stamp set next. Let's get a stamp set. Trees. The most wonderful time of the year. 'Tis the season to be jolly. Celebrate the season. Cool. It's a 4x6. I love these so much. These are so amazing. They're chipboard stickers and they are just amazing. I have been using these on my PL and oh, they're just great. Because I have a lot of kits and if I don't make cards right away, I'm like, so I've been using in my PL. As long as I use them, I don't care how I use them. But I really want to do cards, of course. So, and you know, but timing. Okay, this is... Oh, this is the lamppost. I love the lamppost. So you have the lamppost. Let's see. You get the lamppost and the wreath and the Noel. Isn't that phenomenal? And the little bow. I loved this so much. This was so cool. This was just so neat. Yeah, I love that. And then, oh, let's do this. The paper pad next, because the paper pad is awesome. You get 2 of each. They're single-sided. Oh, mistletoe. How cute is that? Tree. Gingham. Holly. And that's the glitter. It's not glitter, it's foil. Snowflake. Green. Stripes. More foil. Candy canes. Merry Christmas. Some wood plank. Red deer horns. More foil. And back to square one. Yeah, so 2 of each. And then here's the best part. Oh my gosh, I love getting the ephemera from them. Oh, the ephemera is amazing. It's amazing. Okay, let's scoot this out of the way because this is so cool. You get 2 of each of these also. Now, they have their design team who puts these all out and each month on Facebook and YouTube, and it's so much better than what I could do. But, so if you really want to see them in clear detail, that's where they're at, because they're amazing. Look at this deer. I love the deer. Look at the deer. Is that not cute? Like, you could put like a little mini, dot of red on there. So cute. You get so much ephemera, you guys. So much. It's just mind-boggling, and I love that. I absolutely love this. So I get this whole kit. They have a new stamp set, but I don't get that because I don't do the glimmer. I don't have time for glimmer because I hate fussing. I hate fussing, and if you don't get it right the first time with the glimmer, it's like, it's so aggravating, and I don't have patience. I just don't, it's not time, it's patience. I don't have patience for it, and so why do that to myself? Why get myself all angry? I don't want to do that. So I am not a glimmer fan. I'm sure it's just amazing. Like Nicole Spore, oh, she does, and Amy Prairie Paper and Ink, they do amazing work. So there's plenty out there to see with the glimmer, but no. It's just not for me. And but so they have that kit. They have the whole kit, and I don't have that one. But this, I get small, large, Amazing Paper Grace, and the card kit, and it's $83 a month. And I will tell you what, guys, it is so worth it. So worth it. I cannot get enough of this kit. This is, I mean, when I can use it for cards and my PL and just, it's just, yeah. $83 is so worth it because you get so much. North Pole. How cute are these things? Oh, so fun. Yep. A Christmas tale. You guys see these? These are just in presents and season's greetings, and I don't see happy holidays. I am grateful. I don't see it. It could be here, but I'm not, it's not in your face. And I personally love that because to me it's Merry Christmas, Happy New Year, Happy Thanksgiving, not Happy Holidays. So I am old school. I'm old. So I like Merry Christmas. Then you say thank you. You too. Or thank you if you're not a believer. You know, so it's fine. This one is ruined, but you know, that happens. It happens, no problem. So what I would do is probably layer it. So put that on the bottom, pop dot this one, so then you have a stack. See, so then you would have a dimension. Not a problem. It's the only one, so pretty cool. All right, guys, I hope you love it because I love it and I want to play, but I don't know if I can right now. But I will try. I'll see you guys later. Talk to you next month. Bye.